In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and effectively link your tabs in Webflow. This process will guide you through creating a smooth, user-friendly way to navigate through different tabbed content on your website, enhancing both functionality and user experience. Let's begin by setting up your tabs within Webflow. First, you'll want to create a tab component. This is a built-in element within Webflow that allows you to easily manage grouped content in a tabbed navigation system. By default, it provides a series of clickable links that can reveal different content panels. Simply drag and drop this tabs component onto your Webflow page to get started. Next, you'll need to give each of your tab panes a unique identifier. In the Element Settings panel, assign a unique ID to each tab pane within your tabs component. These IDs are critical as they directly correspond to how your tabs will be linked and identified within your URL. For example, you might use IDs such as tab pane 1, tab pane 2, and so on. This step ensures that each section of your tabbed content can be pinpointed accurately when being linked or accessed via a URL. Once that's set up, it's time to add some custom code to make these tabs work seamlessly with user interaction. This is where you'll facilitate direct linking to specific tabs via a URL, an incredibly useful feature, especially for sharing direct links to specific content on your page. Start by navigating to the page settings of the page that contains your tabs. You can do this from your Webflow project's designer interface, usually found under the site's navigation options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll need to add a snippet of JavaScript to your page. Scroll down to the Before Tags section. This section allows you to insert custom scripts that will only affect this specific page. Paste the following JavaScript code here. This particular script has an essential job. It checks your site's URL for a hash and activates the corresponding tab based on the unique IDs you assigned earlier. With these steps, you've successfully set up a system where users can navigate directly to specific tabs via their web browser's URL. This setup not only improves accessibility, but also enhances the user experience by making it easier for visitors to access the precise content they are interested in. A detailed and user-friendly navigation system like this can greatly improve how visitors interact with your site, potentially increasing engagement and retention. And there you have it. You've linked your Webflow tabs and improved your site's navigation. Remember, effective user navigation is key to providing a pleasant web experience. As you apply these tips, feel free to experiment with different styles and configurations to see what works best for your specific needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to helping you further develop your website creation.